Hey, it's me. Did I restart this video so I could start it with the cards on my face? Yes, I did. Okay, so we are going to take a look at probability with a deck of cards. I don't think math teachers today do enough practice with this. Let me tell you why I like to focus on a deck of cards. First, I took a statistics class in college that kicked my hiney, and all we did was probability of cards. Now, it was obviously a little more advanced than the 7th grade content we're going to cover today, but I think it's important for you to understand a deck of cards for another reason. I play a lot of cards with my family. We love to play the game Euchre. I also like to play the game 500 with my friends. So I need to understand a deck of cards. Not that I'm counting them, but you need to know what a deck of cards looks like so you can win your future card games and pass your future college courses. Okay, so what I've done here is I've separated my deck of cards into the 4 suits. I'm going to remind you what those are. I'm really, really impressed with my students, though. We have worked with cards before in class, and I think you guys are at an advantage than other 7th and 8th graders who have never really played with cards. So first suit, we've got hearts. Next, we've got clubs. Next, we've got, it was almost upside down, spades. Now, also this will help if you ever go to Las Vegas in your future, when you're over the age of 21. And last but not least, diamonds. So you have, I'm going to show you guys this, 2 red suits, diamonds and hearts. You've got 2 black suits, clubs and spades. Each suit, I'll do this as best as I can. Each suit has these numbers. Now let's go ahead and count them. Hopefully you can see them all. All right, let's take a look here. We've got ace, king, queen, jack. Oh, we're missing the 10. Yikes. Oh my gosh, where is it? There we go. 10, 9, 8. Where's the 7? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now the ace can go high or it can go low. So ace is usually seen as the 1. Okay. Now, how many cards is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What if I dropped all these? 10, 11, 12, 13. That is 13 cards for 1 suit. How many suits do we have? Well, I've got 4 piles here, 4 different suits. 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13, or 13 times 4 is 52 cards. All right. So let's analyze one more thing. 52 cards. We've got 4 suits. We've got 13 cards for each suit, which means how many of each card are there? 4. I'm going to just focus on one number. There are 4. Oh, that didn't work out. Hold on, wait. There are 4 2s. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Videos. Where is my 2? Geez. Okay, we've got 4 2s. That means there are 4 3s, 4 4s, 4 aces, 4 5s, 4 6s, 4 7s, 4 8s, 9, blah, 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 blah. Okay, now I've totally messed up my deck of cards here, but that's all right. I'm not sure I'm going to need these again during the lesson. Okay, here we go. Let's take a look at my worksheet. Deck of cards worksheet. A card is drawn from a deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of drawing a black card. So let's recap. We've got clubs and we've got spades. That's 13 spades, 13 clubs. 13 plus 13 is 26. So that is 26 out of a total of how many cards? 52. Well, 26 out of 52 is actually 1/2. I want you to remember that, okay? That's kind of a, I don't know if I would say that's something you memorize, but you should know that 26 is half of 52, all right? Find the probability of drawing a red card. Well, if half of the deck of cards is black, the other half of the deck is red. So that is, ooh, maybe I'll use my red pen. That's 26 out of 52, which again, we know is 1/2. Ms. Schultz, you should really be writing your answer on the answer line. Okay. Next. Find the probability of drawing a red or a black. Well, there are 26 black cards and there are 26 red cards. That's just 52 out of all 52 cards. The answer is just 1. You're going to pick a red or a black card. It's always going to happen. It's 100% probability. All right, find the probability of drawing an ace. Well, like we said before, how many of each card are there? I'm looking at the deck of cards right in front of me, which I'm at an advantage, obviously, but I know that I only have 4 of each card. So that is 4 aces out of 52 cards. Now, since 52 is a little bit of a higher number than we were dealing with on my previous probability video, let's reduce this by just starting with dividing by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 52 divided by 2 we know is 26. Can I reduce 2 over 26? Yes, they're both even. Divide by 2 again. So we're going to get 1 over 13. 1/13 is your probability of drawing an ace. Find the probability of drawing either a jack or queen or king. Whew. Now, if you're catching on, there are 4 jacks, 4 queens, and 4 kings. 4 plus 4 plus 4, that gives you 12. Again, I am at an advantage because I have them all in front of me right here. So if I were to pull every jack, queen, and king, I should get 12 cards. And I'm going to prove that to you right now. Here we go. Here are all of my jacks, queens, and kings. And they're actually in order with their suit. So I've got 3, 3, 3, and 3. It's so difficult because this is mirrored. I'm losing my mind. So that is 12 cards total out of, ooh, what happened to that 2? 52. Can we reduce? Yes. Let's divide by 2. You get 6 out of 50. Oh, Schultz, divide the bottom by 2. That's 6 out of 26. Can we reduce that again? Yes. Divide by 2. You get 3 out of 13. There is your probability. Okay? So when we keep working with these decks of cards, I am going to give you a little bit more trickier questions. Okay, so like what is the probability of drawing an 8 or a 9? Well, there's 4 8s and 4 9s. That would be 8 out of 52. So please just make sure you remember there are 4 suits, 13 cards in each suit, a total of 52. If you have a deck of cards at home, I would actually recommend putting them in front of you so you can count. Otherwise, write it out on a piece of paper, okay? All right. Good luck on your activities this week. I will be checking periodically, and I will continue communicating with you on your emails. And also, office hours are Thursday from 12 to 1 for CP and 1 to 2 for honors. I love you guys. Bye.